it's Hannah and welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I posted a video, and to be honest I just needed to take a bit of time off because life just got busy and I wasn't in the right mindset to sit down and be all bubbly for a video. Might be a bit all over the place, might be a bit shaky, but we're gonna roll with it and just see how we end up. So today I'm gonna be doing a glowy, freckly makeup look. So the first thing I'm going to do is moisturise, and I'm using the Simple Kind to Skin Replenishing Rich Moisturiser. I just use a dot about this big, like the size of a pea, and I'll probably be looking in my mirror over here quite a lot. But I just apply like a thin coat like all over my face. Probably had a bit much there. I just forgot on my leggings. I swear when I'm doing my makeup, my leggings just end up looking like an actual makeup wipe because that's what I use them for when I'm doing my makeup, which is so bad because then I have to like change my outfit and it's just a nightmare. And now that I've done my moisturiser, I'm going to do my lip scrub. I have the Jeffree Star Salted Caramel lip scrub, and this is so good. So when I've got all of that off, what I will do, if I can find it, because what the hell. So after I've put on my lip scrub, I'll just put on a lip balm, just a really thin layer. The first actual makeup thing, now that my skin is all prepped, I'm going to prime using the NYX Pore Filler Primer / Base. I guess I'm going to just get straight into foundation. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in F2. Dot that like around my face. I'm going to take the Stay Perfect foundation from number 7. This is one of my favourite foundations for a not full coverage but like kind of full coverage because I've got so many freckles. Finding foundation that doesn't look crazy is really difficult. That colour is absolutely perfect for if you've got fake tan on, like it's perfect. I need to go with my beauty blender, bloody hell. My beauty blender is looking so dodgy. So now that's all blended in, you can still kind of see my freckles, which I like. So next I'm going to take the Revolution again, and I'm using the shade C8.5 and 10.5. I use 8.5 under my eyes and to kind of highlight, and I use 10.5 as like a cream contour, like slash bronzer. I don't really contour anymore, just because I feel like it looks a bit too like heavy on me. I just prefer to bronze. And then I'll take the 10.5 and I will just put that just on the sides of my nose, under my cheekbones and around my forehead. So to blend this in, I'll just blend it in the lighter areas first with my beauty blender. So once all the light colours blended in, I'll then go in and do the darker. So now that that's all blended in, I'm going to set my face with a translucent powder. I actually don't bake anymore either. I used to bake all the time when I was doing my makeup, but now I literally just use a translucent powder just all over. So for my eyebrows, I've been going super natural lately because I've had them tinted, so they are quite darker than usual. So I'm using the Precisely My Brow pencil in the shade 3.5, and I'll just use the spoolie to brush those, and then with the pencil side line the underneath of the brow, and I'm just following the natural shape, doing some little hairs going from that line going upwards just to blend that line in with the rest of the brow. And then I'll get the spoolie, brush that through again, and then that is my eyebrow pretty much done. I'll then use the Maybelline Brow Drama in the shade Dark Brown, and this is a brow mascara or brow gel, and I'll just run that through quite gently because it does have a lot of pigment. So I'm just going to do the other one and then I will get back to you. Yeah, but I don't know whether to do my eyeshadow first or the rest of my face. Yeah, I think I'm just going to continue with my base because why not? I'm going to use the Hoola bronzer from Benefit and just use that to warm, well not really warm, but like I guess kind of contour just under my cheekbones. Why is there just a random eyelash here? I'm going to use my NARS, is this Laguna? It is the Laguna bronzing powder with a huge fluffy brush, and I'm literally just going to bronze my forehead, my cheekbones, and then I always go like over my nose because it just makes you look really sun-kissed. It kind of takes away the contour a bit, but I mean it's still kind of there. Now so far this is pretty much what I do every day, like my everyday base makeup. Like I sometimes don't even wear foundation because it's too heavy sometimes for me. I'm going to use the MAC blush in Sincere, and I'm using, I didn't tell you what brushes I was using, most of them are Zoeva or Real Techniques. And then I'll take a little bit and just put that on the nose, a little bit on the chin, on the forehead. So my favourite sort of bronzy combo at the minute is the NARS eyeshadow in Persia, and it's like a really nice burnt orange shade, and also the classic Zoeva Cocoa blend, which is an absolute mess because I use it all the time. I haven't taken a lot because this is super pigmented, like it gives off such good colour. So yeah, I'm literally just putting that all over the eye and then just taking back and forth motions just to really blend that out like that. I'm gonna take some more just on like the very end of the brush and build up that colour really gradually so you get a really nice blend. So I think that will do because I don't want it to be super orangey. So I'm gonna take Freshly Toasted, which is like the darker I guess reddish brown, like a brick shade, and then I'm going to take that into the crease area. Literally this combo is gorgeous. And then I'm going to take, if I can find you, this is one of my favourite brushes. This is the Luxe Petite Crease brush from Zoeva, number 231, because it's so small to like get into the crease like really directly, really accurately, that's the word, really accurately. So I'm just taking Freshly Toasted again and Beans Are White, which isn't a white shade, it's a brown shade, but I'm taking both of those and mixing them together, and then I'm putting that like really carefully placing this because it's quite like a dark colour in the crease. Wow, makeup artist. You know what I think we're gonna do? I think I'm going to take a bit of yellow just to blend the edge, you know, to make it look a bit more sunsetty. Do I even have any yellows? I don't know. Oh wait, I got the Morphe palette, didn't I? This colour here, Sunlight. So I literally haven't used this palette yet, so I don't know how it's going to perform. I mean, ideally you'd put this on first. That's really nice, that's like brightened that up quite nicely. I'm just going to take that brush and blend those in a bit more. I love it! Oh my god! I'm gonna take Soft Ochre and get a bit of that on this brush. I was gonna do a full cut crease, but I think I kind of want to do like more of a halo. I've extended it out more on the top and then it sort of goes, I guess, in like a triangle. I think I'm gonna take Pure Ganache from the Zoeva palette, and then I'm just gonna pack that on to that concealer. Not concealer, primer. It isn't really like as gold as I wanted, so I think I'm going to take the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and use the shade Chocolate Gold. And then I'm going to take Old Money, which is more of like the rusty shade, go on the outside of that gold. Lovely. And then I'm going to take Rich Girl, which is a really, really shiny, like silvery gold, and then just put that like right in the middle. I'm also just going to take that same combo and then just do that under the eyes, just really simple. And then I'm going to take the remaining yellow on that other brush and then just blend out that edge. I'm going to take Infusion, which is this like dark black shade that has a bit of gold reflex in it. And I'm going to put that on the waterline. Yes! Love that. Then I'm going to take some mascara, the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Bad Gal lashes. I absolutely freaking love these. They have been my go-to lashes every single day for like the past week or two, and they've still lasted. Like, they still look amazing. And I'm using the Duo Lash Glue. So I'm going to wait for that to get tacky and then just plop it on my eyes, not much else to it. Oh wow, literally look at those lashes. Amazing, absolutely amazing. Yeah, while I wait for that lash to dry, I'm going to do my other eye, so peace. So that is both eyes done. I really am happy with the way this came out. I'll be honest, I don't know why I did one eye at a time. I don't know where that came from. I think my inner beauty guru just came out. So, what's next? I don't know. I actually need to set my face and I've run out of setting spray, so that's great. 1 second. Is this recording? I've got my Mac. So I've got this fan brush from Spectrum, it's the A10, and the Luxe Soft Definer brush by Zoeva, which I use to highlight with. I usually use a mix of marshmallow and butterscotch, so I think I'm just gonna do that. For lips, where's my lip liner? So I'm going to take my Spice lip liner from MAC, and then I'm going to take Velvet Teddy, and then on top of Velvet Teddy and Spice I'm going to use the Too Faced Melted Latex in Hopeless Romantic. And then I'm just going to take a teeny bit of concealer. This is the Collection Lasting Perfection, just on my finger. So guys, I went out for a bit, like mid-filming, to go get a Mackies. So my makeup had time to like oxidize and settle in and just do its thing, and honestly I am in love with this look. I think it's so gorgeous, if I do say so myself. There's not much else to say, I guess. Like, this is the end of the makeup look. If you liked it and you'd like me to do more makeup things, I'm not a beauty guru by like any standards, but if you would like to see me do more makeup looks, then definitely give this video a thumbs up, and you can also comment below anything that you like, any feedback, any comments, how's your day been, anything, go wild. And if you would like to see more videos from me, then definitely come back to my channel by subscribing below, and if you would like to be notified, so get a little ping every time I post another video, then press the little bell button, which is I think next to the subscribe button. I don't know, just press it please. So that is everything from me. I really hope to see you guys very, very soon with another video. Bye!